$28.59. Aliso?
There currently is a tenant, and the tenant would like to stay. So I mean, if you're
okay.
Looking for,
does the MLS have the amount per month on it?
I believe they paid $1,200.
Okay, $1,200. Okay, thank you. Thank you. So we have the screen door on the front. Jenny loves that. People can enjoy the fresh air and still not have to worry about their pets or kids. So we have the 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. Probably replace this fan. Okay, so this is not okay. So maybe replace these doors with something that's not see-through, or put something to fog the glass. Actually, I'm gonna go back and look at that. Okay, or use it as an office. So we have laminate in this bedroom. It's pretty large, and as you can see, we have mirrored closet panels almost all the way down that side of the wall. 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. Just need to replace that. So we'll see what Jenny says about the transition strip. It's rice paper. Maybe take that off, clean it up, and put more rice paper on. Or it's $50 for a paper arched fan. Very simple. Just fix that drawer there. Possibly paint it. That's Jenny's call. Replace those light bulbs. Paint looks good. Replace the blinds. It's about $125. Get a new fridge. It's probably stainless. And we'll see what Jenny says about the microwave. It's about $350 for a space saver. Okay. The flooring looks to be in good condition. I don't think we need, we don't need any window treatment on there. Definitely a clean up and some attention for the roof tiles and all of that. Okay, that's pretty much it. Yep, flooring looks good.